Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bahriaturila Iswari and my student number is 213. And today I will answer the question from Mr. Fitri. And the first question is, explain what is ASP? ASP is a new approach in teaching and using English for specific files and study that are in accordance with the needs of the field of science and the profession of English user. So this ESP is only used for specific needs such as learning English for course or learning English for certain needs. And the second question is, please explain emergence of ESP. And the first is the demands of the flat word, and the second is an evolution in linguistics, and then the last in focus on learner. And the third question is elaborate characteristic of ESP. And the first, for absolute characteristic, is meet specific needs of the learners. And the second is content, character or particular subject, profession and social activities. And the third is centered on that language which is appropriate to those activities in syntax, lexis, discourse, semantic. And for variable character, the first is restricted as the language skill to be learned. And the fourth question is, please explain the procedure of needs analysis ESP. And the answer is, the first is what. So here we have to know what aspect of language student needs to achieve the target effectively or the target he want. And the second is the lack. Here we have to know the lack or what students have not mastered in learning. And the last is the need. Here we must know what students need to master. And this is the last question. The last question is, explain the different characteristics ESP, EGP and ESP. And ESP is the different from EGP because ESP teaching English is more specific because the material that the teacher will provide focus on what the student want, and the choice of language material also follow the needs of the student. And EGP is more general English language teaching and depends on the syllabus and also the predetermined curriculum. And ESP refers to the teaching and learning of English as a second language or forage language, and the approach is based on learner need. And ESP has specific needs to learner, while EGP provide basic knowledge and skill of English language at a school level. And I think enough. And I'm sorry for my mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.